Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the YouTube app. Open the plus and choose Create a Short. Make sure you grant camera and storage access so media can load. Next, record your foreground or import the clip you want to use as background. Now tap Effects, select Green Screen, and pick the photo or video background from your library. Once done, you'll see the background replace the green area. Make sure your foreground contrast is clear so the tool detects edges properly. Once the background is applied, focus on alignment and timing. Move and scale the background so it matches the 9:16 short frame and keeps your subject centered. Then trim the background layer to match your clip's length and use opacity or feather to soften any hard edges. This helps avoid haloing. Also check audio. Lower background volume or mute it if you speak. Make sure transitions happen where you want them. Preview repeatedly, so cuts are close to finishing. Preview the full short, add captions, on-screen text, and a clear call to action so viewers know what to do next. Then pick audience settings, tags, and a thumbnail that stands out in the feed. When satisfied, tap Upload. If the green screen won't apply, make sure the app is updated and clear its cache. Also try converting the background file to MP4 or JPEG and re-importing. If colors still glitch, increase foreground lighting and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.